Welcome to the Weekend Review. This is Fed Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading, and we're reviewing the week of February 17th to February 21st of 2025. So looking at the biggest event of the week, it's gold retreating after hitting all-time record highs. But first, looking at the Forex markets were mixed this past week. We saw the Australian dollar advance versus the USD, while the Japanese yen actually retreating versus the USD. Now looking at the indices, the Dow Jones tumbling this past week, while the NASDAQ just off of its all-time record highs. Now looking at commodities, natural gas rebounding to its highs, while we shift over to the stocks, really mixed. We saw JP Morgan, one of the largest financial institutions in the world, just nosedive this past week, while Intel rebounds above its 200-day moving average after corporate earning results. Now lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin inching higher back to resistance-ish level. Now looking at the upcoming major economic events of this week. So we start out the week on Tuesday, February 25. First from the United States, CB consumer confidence number coming out. And then on Wednesday, February 26 from Australia, we have a core price index CPI number coming out. And lastly, on February 28th, that's Friday, coming out from the Eurozone, we have a German preliminary CPI number coming out, and from Canada, a GDP, gross domestic product, and lastly from the United States, a PCE price index number coming out. So we got lots of news coming up in the next week. We'll see you here next week on the Weekend Review. Have a good weekend, everybody.